Hello guys, and welcome to the Crypto Nutrition YouTube channel, where you subscribe because you want to learn about the fundamentals of some of the most interesting blockchain projects around, because you believe in the future of the technology, and because you want to make connections with like-minded individuals across the world. Today guys, we're going to be talking about Black Dragon. We've all wanted to have early access to some of the most interesting projects with the most potential in the space. Black Dragon, fundamentally a venture capitalist, are providing that and much more. Let's dive straight into it guys. So it's over to you, Desktop. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are guys. What are you drinking today? I do have black coffee, no milk, no sugar, green tea in the dad mug, but I'm not a dad. And I don't go anywhere without my giant bottle of water. So guys, Black Dragon token, your gateway to successful crypto investing. They've supported over 120 projects with 1,000 community members and averaged 40x peak return on investment. So who are these guys? Black Dragon is fundamentally a decentralized blockchain native fundraising group. But here's the cool bit guys, with dedicated in-house marketing, development and research teams. So not only are they providing liquidity for some of the most exciting projects on the marketplace and giving people like you and I the opportunity to invest in these projects early, but they support the projects by providing invaluable resources in marketing, advisory, community growth and access to their expansive yet exclusive industry network. And I have to tell you guys, it's been quite difficult to find much information on the team behind this project. But I did find this interview with Being Crypto, where their founder Dom mentions the fact that their team has a strong background in top tier international financial institutions, mainly banks and insurance companies. In terms of experience, they all have 10 plus years of traditional business background and on average 4 years of active work in the crypto world. They've been part of the game since 2015 and bets that all of them can proudly say they went through the ups and downs, different types of market hypes, and we are still here looking forward to having an even more significant role in crypto space. So the second point here is their fundraising platform. So they talk about having an outstanding fundraising platform, which we'll go into in more detail in just a moment, and have a look at what this application looks like and the various levels of their community and members and how these types of people can invest. And the final point here is research-based investments. So these guys are doing the heavy lifting for you. They're a team of financial and crypto experts with a central vision to empower projects that offer innovative blockchain solutions to real-life problems while adding value to the crypto industry as a whole. And that really talks to me as well, guys. I mean, that's partly what we do on the channel, is cover projects that have real-life solutions and real-life applicability. Through this, they're able to provide a way for community members to invest their funds in promising projects that exceed our in-depth analysis. So you can kind of see the process they go through emerging here. They have this fundraising platform, which looks something like this. You can see down the bottom left here, they have your access level, your pro rata share, the amount of tokens you hold, and the amount of dollars you hold. And then you're able to access certain deals, allocate certain amounts of your funds, and essentially have access to not only the extensive research that these guys put in, but the ability to invest in these projects in a really easy, consolidated way. We can see here that the app will launch soon up the top right hand of the screen here. So of course, this does come at a cost. To have access to 60% of the deals, you will need to hold, with the current market price of a Black Dragon token, $8,250 worth. And to have access to 100% of the deals, you are looking at around £330,000. So there are varying levels to this thing, and rightly so. But of course, if you don't have the kind of money you need to gain access to the platform, you can of course invest in the tokens themselves. And looking at this project, guys, I do think that's a safe bet. So again, if we follow the process here, they have a comprehensive fundraising platform. They have an incubation program where they provide their community support and expertise to lead your project from its early stages to completion of your roadmap, helping in fundraising and consulting, marketing, community building, industry connections, and development support. They then have their research program. And if we just dive into one of these guys, these are comprehensive research reports, basic metrics, raise stats, token utility, token split, roadmap, partners and investors, team and advisors. Like, I think there's a business here just in terms of a research company. Like, this would save me so much time on my videos if I could just have one consolidated place where they look at every single element of a project and do a write-up. Incredible. So fundraising through to incubation, through to research, through to their actual portfolio now. And you can see some of the projects here that they've worked with. Kylin, Hopper we've looked at in another video briefly. Labs we've looked at, Paid Network, Razor, Near, Thorchain, Chainlink. And you can see, guys, look, 1000x on Ampleforth, 335x on Chainlink. So as we start piecing this together, guys, we can see that these guys are no joke. And guys, we can see here really what their strong points are. And some of these things are so simple, but I really haven't seen much like this in the space. So they have their unique platform. Again, we've looked at that just above. Access to early deals, high-level discussions, actionable information, and research reports provided by the dedicated team. The fair allocation system. So because it's pro rata, it guarantees members access to deals and allocation based strictly on how many Black Dragon tokens you own. So it's black and white, guys. It's you will have access to X if you have X. And the strong community. It's the foundation of everything they do. It's a space for serious investors to share insights and learn from each other in a supportive environment. So guys, even if you don't have the kind of money to be holding thousands of pounds worth of Black Dragon tokens, just to jump in and be part of this community, whether you're looking at their Telegram, their Twitter, seems like a really good company to start following here. And guys, I did find this screenshot of their roadmap. Again, it has been quite difficult finding information on these guys, so take that as you will. But you can see they've not been around for a great deal of time, but as we've seen, have already provided so much for their token holders and investors. And we can see this year, guys, they will finish the setup and start acquiring potentials for their new ecosystem, and they're announcing new secret projects all the time. Really cool. So now let's look to the Twitter page, guys. And look, just 3,100 followers. That's how early it is for this project. A crypto investment platform where multiple X returns are commonplace. And you see that across some of their tweets, guys. I think that's kind of their catchphrase, where multiple X returns are commonplace. But they are really an awesome place to get information and news on some of the top crypto projects and what they're up to. Not only that, but obviously some of the new crypto projects coming through that these guys have been researching. So we can see that they literally yesterday launched their new website. They talk about some of the companies that they have invested in and some of their updates. So MoFi's flash launch on TrustSwap, an announcement here between Cellframe and Kel VPN. They talk about their research. So a new project that they've looked into, Sigmadex, and you can go through and check out their research on it. How amazing is that? And how are we looking in terms of standing? Well, for a Black Dragon token, we're currently looking at around the $35 mark. We can see here in terms of circulating supply that there are only 2 million tokens. So that is why the price is slightly higher than other tokens. Market cap of just 40 million here, guys. And we are sitting at rank 572. All of this at the time of recording. And we can see, guys, that we have seen some movement to the upside here, potentially given the new website launch here. But you can see as we've moved up, we've consolidated well. And guys, since this previous consolidation, we're only a 2x at the moment. And again, we're still outside the top 500. And I really like what this project is doing and what they're all about. You know, at the heart of it, their vision is to empower the development of innovative blockchain solutions to real world problems while adding value to the entire ecosystem. So in terms of a VC, guys, I don't know what more you want in terms of a safe bet. Of course, guys, none of this is financial advice. This is all just my thoughts and opinions. If and when you do trade, please do so at your own risk. But we're always open to discussion here, guys. We're building a community. So do join us on the various channels. So guys, that was my review on Black Dragon, or BDT, Black Dragon token. These guys are a crypto and blockchain based venture capitalist with extensive experience in the crypto world and in finance, giving you and I a gateway to invest in some of the newest and hottest projects coming to the crypto space. They've done all the work for us here, guys. We've had a look at their extensive research, and even if you're not looking to use the application and be a big token holder, they're a great company to just follow and maybe invest in a few tokens, which you can do on Uniswap at the moment. Really love to see projects like this, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video today. And if you did, please do hit up that like button, hit that subscribe button, support the channel where you can. Join us on the Discord server and follow us on Twitter at Crypto Nutrition. But again, thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.